achieving turnout levels above 90% with 0 ballot replacements. Moreover, COMELEC accomplished the fastest canvassing and proclamation in history, with results confirmed to be 99.99% accurate. Participation was inclusive. Senior citizens, persons with disabilities, persons deprived of liberty, and indigenous communities all registered strong voter turnout. On the global stage, the Philippines is recognized as a pioneer in election automation and online voting. This recognition underscores that COMELEC's innovations are not only improving Philippine elections, but also gaining global acclaim, reinforcing the need to sustain this direction through adequate budgetary support. Equally important, COMELEC continues to demonstrate its institutional strength. For 2 consecutive years, the Commission on Audit, or COA, has granted it an unmodified opinion, a clear testament to its fiscal discipline and accountability. Honorable members of the committee, the proposed fiscal year 2026 budget of the COMELEC under the National Expenditure Program is 11.848 billion pesos, inclusive of automatic appropriations. This is 6.221 billion pesos lower than its original proposal of 18.069 billion pesos.